Moving on, the U.S. government has put a prize of $7 million on the head of the leaders of Somali Islamist militant group Al Shabaab. The money will be paid to any person who provides information that leads to the capture of the terrorist group's chief, Ahmed Abdi. CCTV's Eric Joka tells us more.
This is the first time that the United States is putting a bounty on the leaders of the group, which declared that it was merging with Al-Qaeda early in the year. However, the group has dismissed the offer, vowing to continue with its operations. The State Department said in a statement that the group is responsible for the killing of thousands of Somali civilians, Somali peace activists, international aid workers, journalists, and African Union peacekeepers, making the Somali insurgent leaders the most wanted terrorists. America appears to have shifted its focus to Al Shabaab after dealing a major blow to Al-Qaeda operations in Afghanistan and Pakistan following the killing of Osama bin Laden and his representative in East Africa, Fazul Abdallah, last year. Al Shabaab leaders are reported to be fleeing Kismayo, heading back to Puntland or leaving the country for Yemen. Kenyan and Somali government forces are advancing on the port city after capturing Afmado in southern Somalia last week. But there have also been reports that Al Shabaab has acquired or is seeking to acquire anti-aircraft missiles from illicit arms traffickers and jihadist networks in the Middle East.
The announcement comes as Somalia's disparate leaders struggle to form a new government to replace the transitional body in Mogadishu, which is also preparing to hand over power to the new government by an August 20th deadline. Eric Njoka, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.